Hi, welcome to Mastering English for Confident Communication and Personal Growth course. Introduction to English for Personal Development, Lesson Objective. This lesson lays the foundation for your English language journey. It focuses on the why behind learning English, dispels common fears, allows for self-reflection, and helps you set clear goals for personal growth through the mastery of English. Section 1. Why English Mastery Matters in Modern Communication. Global relevance of the English language. English is the most widely spoken second language in the world. It is the language of global business, technology, science, aviation, academia, and international diplomacy. Mastering English opens doors to international opportunities, education, networking, and travel. English in personal development. It boosts confidence in public speaking and everyday communication. It enhances your ability to absorb knowledge, as many self-development books, podcasts, and courses are in English. It improves professional opportunities, especially in virtual workspaces. Section 2. Common fears and mental blocks in language learning. What if I make a mistake? Fear of judgment is a major block in language learning. Mistakes are necessary for growth. The key is progress over perfection. I'm too old to learn. Research shows adults can learn languages effectively when motivated. English is a skill, not a talent. It improves with consistent practice. I know grammar, but I can't speak. Knowing the rules is not equals to fluency. This course emphasizes practical communication, not just theory. I have a strong accent. Accents are not a problem unless they interfere with clarity. This course will help you refine your pronunciation, not erase your identity. Section 3. Self-assessment. Where are you now? Identify your current level. Instructions. On a scale of 1 to 5, rate yourself in each area. After scoring yourself, write down what areas you feel weakest in. What areas you're most confident about. One situation where you struggled due to poor English. Section 4. Setting learning goals for this course. SMART goals. Use the SMART framework to define your language goals. S. Specific. What exactly do you want to improve? Example. I want to pronounce words more clearly. M. Measurable. How will you know when you've achieved it? Example. I will be understood easily in conversation. A. Achievable. Is this goal within your reach, with effort? R. Relevant. Does it align with your personal professional aspirations? T. Time-bound. When do you want to reach this goal? Example. In the next 3 months. Example personal goals. I want to speak confidently during Zoom meetings. I want to write professional emails without grammar errors. I want to understand English podcasts without replaying 3 times. Section 5. Mindset and motivation. Repeat after me. Affirmations for the English learner. I have the power to learn and speak English clearly. Every mistake I make helps me grow. I am building confidence every day. I deserve to be heard and understood. Daily practice challenge for 7 days. Read 1 page from an English book aloud. Watch 10 minutes of an English video with subtitles. Write 3 sentences about your day in English. Practice 1 difficult word each day. Greet someone in English and introduce yourself. Use a new word in a sentence. Listen to your own recording and review it. Practice activities. Activity 1. Your language story. Write a short paragraph answering, how did you first learn English? What's one embarrassing or funny English mistake you've made? Why do you want to speak better English? Activity 2. Personal goal declaration. Complete this sentence. By the end of this course, I want to. And assignment. Record a 1-minute voice note introducing yourself and explaining your name and location, your current English skills, one major goal you hope to achieve. Summary checklist. I understand why English matters globally. I identified personal fears and blocks. I evaluated my current skills. I set specific learning goals. I completed my first spoken assignment. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.